What's up guys, welcome to the codecamp.org. In this video I'm going to show you how to write a Java program that will generate the Fibonacci series. So for creating the program we need to create a Java project. I'm using IntelliJ, so let's create the project. I'm gonna name my project as a Fibonacci series. So here is our brand new project. I don't need this hello world message. What is the Fibonacci series? The Fibonacci series is the sequence of numbers in which each number is the sum of the two preceding ones. And the Fibonacci series usually starts with 0 and 1. So what does it mean? Like two preceding numbers like 0 and 1. 0 plus 1 is 1, and 1 plus 1 it's 2, and 1 plus 2 it's 3, 3 plus 2 it's 5, and 5 plus 3 it's 8. So and the sequence is going like this. In our program we need to take input from the user for the number of terms they want in their sequence. So for that we need to use the scanner class, or we need to create a scanner object. So the scanner class is located in java.util package. We need to import the package. I'm using IntelliJ, so IntelliJ will be taking care of it for me. As long as I tap scanner, it will include the package for me. Scanner and hit enter. So IntelliJ included the required import for me. So I'm gonna name my variable as a scanner and my reference, and I'm gonna create a new object for the scanner class. So I need to put the system.in that we are taking the input from the user. Now we need to display a generic message for the users to ask them to enter the number of terms in their sequence. So for that all I need is use the system.out.print syntax. So I don't wanna use the println, just stick to the print. So I'm gonna ask the user, please enter the number of terms in the Fibonacci series or sequence. So I'm gonna collapse the project view window. In order to store the number of terms, we need to create a variable and store the user input. So I'm gonna create an integer variable and name it as terms, and then store the user input in that variable. So I'm storing the integer value, so I'm gonna take the next step for the object of the scanner class. So now it's time to create to generate the first and the second term. First and second term. This is just a comment for the source code readers, someone who wanna read your code, so they will know what these variables is doing here. These comments will not compile in the compile time. So I'm gonna create the first term, so I'm gonna name it integer first term, and I will assign it to 0. Then I need to create another variable and name it second term. Then I will assign the value 0 because the Fibonacci series usually start from 0 and 1. So I need to initially print the first two sequence, then we will use a loop to generate the rest of the sequence, the number of sequence taken from the user. So here I will be printing the first term, and then I will put some space between, and then I will print the second term. And now it's the time to generate the number of total terms and from the user. And I will be using for loop for for generating the sequence. And I'm gonna set my for loop variable to 3 because I already have the first two sequence number. So then I need to create the condition. I will do like when I is less than equal to terms, because this is the number of the terms we want to take from the users. So then we're gonna implement our loop variable, the iterator. So we need to create one more integer variable, and we're gonna name it next term, because this will be the next term of the sequence. So here we need to plus two first term plus second term. Then we need to put the, I will put some extra space for the readability purpose, and then I'm gonna print my next term. Now this part is a little trickier, so pay attention. For this we need to assign the first term to hold the value of the second term, and we need to assign the second term to hold the value of the next term, because this will store the value for the two preceding numbers. And that's it for the code part. And now we need to run a program, and let's test our logic. So I'm asking the user, please put the number of terms you want into your Fibonacci series. So I will type 10, and here is our output. So I need to make some changes here. I don't want the print ln, I want everything on the same line. So let's try again, and here I want 10 terms in my sequence. Then here we have one more. Oh, here I don't want the print ln. One more time. So I want 10 terms in my series. Yeah, here you go. 0 and 1, then 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 3 is 5, and 5 plus 3 is 8, and so on. These are, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. These are 10 terms in our Fibonacci series. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.